Hey, good afternoon. This is Rodrigo, and first I'd like to apologize for being late on my vlog. No excuses. I take responsibility for being late. A lot of things going on here lately. I just wanted to go over about the global schools and about being a global teacher and what I've learned in the past module 1 and 2. So there's some key bullets that I'll be going over and basically explaining my goals and strength and what I've learned throughout these last 2 weeks. So being a global teacher, globally and multiculturally educated, I feel that bringing global aspects into the classroom will help out students and myself, not only at that moment in the lesson plan, but will culturally help the students open up their mind in terms of being aware of other people and other cultures, and actually respecting those cultures. Um, as a teacher, I think it's important to be global focused every day on the measurables of how students can learn um, within the lesson, the subject, and the overall objective. I think teachers, like especially in high school, should work together in a team. Other teachers to bring intentional themes into all classrooms. So maybe not always just have a Hispanic Heritage Month, but each month they can focus on a different country, a different culture, and what makes them unique, um, and what makes them productive. So under basically the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Obviously, I have within 5 to 10 minutes, and global competencies is essential for global citizenship. So, being a global citizen will help out the student become a better citizen, and then have they will be able to get goals and hopefully achieve them, and not be scared of leaving North Carolina or leaving hometown USA. Um, I think high school teachers should also focus on the faculty across their disciplines, and not only just focus on testing, but they should focus on what will make their student better um, culturally. Bless you. And right now I'm in New Hanover Hospital. My wife's about to have surgery, but I wanted to get this video done so that way I'm not late anymore. But another thing that I wanted to touch on is Spanish for me is a first language. Um, English is obviously second, but you wouldn't tell that for my accent. My accent's from Long Island, New York. But I think that students and the education system should have secondary language. I know that other countries have 3 to 4 languages that students learn, and students can do achieve. Like, they don't just learn Spanish; they'll learn French. They'll learn, and obviously English is universal. Wherever they go, you have English signs, but you have the primary language of Swedish, or Spanish or French. Um, I know that when I was deployed in Spain, I knew Spanish, obviously, but the Spanish there was different than the Spanish that I learned. It's different than Central American Spanish. It's different from South American Spanish. All the languages are different, and they have different dialects. I think that's why it's so important that learning different dialects, learning different languages broadens everyone's mind, students' minds, and the teacher's mind. It just makes the classroom overall better, educationally and respectful. Um, there, I know that in Sweden, the students there, they learn about 2 to 3 languages, and they master it like it's their own language. 44% high school students study foreign language. And that's only in the United States. In other countries in the world, they're required to speak and learn different languages. What global issues do global administration have? High school encourages faculty teaching different subjects to work together on global themes. Um, Learning different themes globally will actually end racism. You end racism by um, by respecting other cultures and other races. And I'm not just talking about here, black and white. I'm talking about different cultures along, um, for instance, the Middle Eastern countries. I know they've gotten a bad reputation since 9/11, but working in the military and working with those people, not everyone is the extremist. So I think that that if we are globally educated, hometown USA students will learn that there are other students around the world that just care about the U.S. Like they should. Um, so again, I apologize for not having this vlog up earlier on time. That's not really a characteristic of me. Character of me to be late, especially being in the military. I kind of hate it, but again, I'll take the responsibility and the percentage off. I've just gone through a lot of things going on here in a couple of days. That's no excuse. I hope that my vlog has been very entertaining or very to the point. And I have been learning a lot throughout this course, especially the technology and the knowledge that Dr. Crawford has provided for us. And I'm really enjoying the book from the author that we learned about last I believe Thursday. So thank you again, and have a great day.